I know I said when the Cybertruck came out and I published a video on it that I never ever wanted to talk about the idiotic thing anymore, but it's turned into the gift that just keeps on giving. Apart from looking like it was designed by a 5-year-old, the Cybertruck is pretty hopeless at just, doing the truck thing, which is kind of why you'd buy a truck in the first place. You'd think that a stainless steel bodied truck would be pretty resistant to water, but no, it's not. Apparently you can't drive it through a car wash, and it voids the warranty. And if you've managed to keep your Cybertruck dry, then it'll probably be recalled because the accelerator pedal doesn't work properly. I mean, if you want to buy one to show your Tesla fanboy credentials, go ahead. But if you need a truck to actually do work, buy a Hilux or a Ranger. Welcome back to MGUY, British engineer and lawyer, blah blah blah. You've heard it all before. There's a code on the screen. Scan that with your phone if you want to sign up for an occasional MGUY email. It'd be great to have you on board. Apart from the fact that Tesla sales are down and the share price is tanking, the Cybertruck is causing yet more headaches for the company, including something as basic as getting a car wash done. Cybertruck turns into large metal brick after going through car wash. Damage caused by car washes is not covered by the warranty. For a vehicle ostensibly designed to go anywhere, Tesla's Cybertruck seems to have a lot of trouble in mundane settings. As one recent owner found out, even a car wash was able to defeat the 6,600-pound pickup. As spotted by Jalopnik, a routine visit through a car wash to get sand off the truck after a beach visit seemingly caused the entire vehicle to shut down. The center console went blank, turning the stainless steel monstrosity into a giant brick. I'm about 2.5 months in and 3,400 miles, TikTok user Captain Ad said in a recent video, and it's not working right now. After holding down 2 buttons on the steering wheel to reset the screen, the dashboard made a strange noise. That was a weird popping sound, the owner said, perplexed. It's not exactly confidence-inducing to see a car that's meant to serve as a rugged off-the-grid base, and even a way to get around Mars, according to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, turn into a giant Tesla paperweight, as Captain Ad quipped, after a routine hosing off. We've already seen our fair share of issues with the vehicle, from massive panel gaps and cracked armour glass to failing steering controls and besmirched stainless steel. Earlier this week, news emerged that Tesla stopped delivering all Cybertrucks to address a glaring issue with the controversial vehicle's accelerator pedal. Ah yes, let's move on to that recall. Elon Musk's Tesla recalls nearly 4,000 Cybertrucks due to potentially fatal flaw with the accelerator pedal. Tesla has recalled nearly 4,000 Cybertrucks to fix an accelerator pedal fault that could cause the EV to accelerate at top speed. That's handy. The US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, announced Friday that Elon Musk's company will replace or repair the accelerator pedal assembly at no charge, and owners will be notified through letters mailed to them in June. The recall comes after a new Tesla owner shared the design flaw in a video, showing how the pedal cover can easily slip forward and become lodged in the interior, effectively locking the car in full acceleration. However, the NHTSA report revealed the Elon Musk-founded company received customer complaints prior to the clip hitting the internet. It's the latest development in Cybertruck's tumultuous rollout that has been plagued with delays. NHTSA said that 3,878 Cybertrucks were affected by the recall. Many buyers had received messages stating their deliveries had been cancelled weeks before Tesla made the call to pull the EVs off the road. This thing is a nightmare. My advice would be to steer well clear of it. The only reason I'm doing videos on the Cybertruck is because it's newsworthy and I think you should be made aware of it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you want to see more Cybertruck stuff or not? Just drop a comment. Let me know. If it was up to me, I'd never want to see or hear of it ever again.